Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. We have to give a warm welcome back to Ashimary or Ashimary. They have blown me away yet again. I swear to goodness, they have some of my favorite wigs. You see this bun? Amazing quality. You're gonna have to stick around for what I have installed. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 360 invisible strap glueless frontal wig. This is in the texture Water Wave. This wig comes with pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace. It is ready to wear. You can wear her 100% glueless, and it also comes with little tapes that you can stick down if you don't want to secure her down. No, I'm very familiar with this type of wig, the invisible strap. I'm super excited to try it. I already adjusted the straps. So I scrunched them in. So I like to really scrunch it in. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some lace tint because she is giving a bit light. And I like to spray some on the back as well. That's just gonna hide and make it look, see, more like your skin tone. And it does also have a glueless strap at the back as well. You just adjust the strap and you should be able to just put her on. I'm gonna see if I can tighten this some more. Don't forget to tuck that away because you don't want her giving away your secrets. Definitely wear her glueless, but I like to cut around the ear so you can see it's just not, it's looking like there's a little bit extra lace. When you cut around the ear there, it's gonna fit you a lot better. So I'm gonna do that. Be careful not to cut that strap. Okay, so what I'm going to do is secure this portion down. Right, so secure the ear tabs and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do with the rest of it. But yeah, moving forward, we definitely want to secure those pieces. could also use the tape that it came with. Recent product. Using the back of my comb. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna put the melt band on and then hit it with the blow dryer. But this is what she's looking like right now. Super cute. Okay, so the band has been on. I hit it with the blow dryer, so we should be able to do the review. Okay, so it messed up right there. I'm leaving the sideburns like this. They're giving natural, you know? Oh, I cut this one too short. Some gel to kind of define it, but not really. Okay, so it's giving ponytail and bun. There's like 1,000,001 ways to wear this wig. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. When I tell you obsessed, I'm literally gagging. Yeah. Okay, this is cute, but let's do the style that I wanted to try. Alright y'all, that is the end of this review. I hope you found it helpful. I hope this wig has convinced you that you need it in your life because guys, I am living my best life. It is definitely style length 26. When I wet her down, I know she's going to be even longer, but she's giving length. She's giving density. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. It is transparent lace, but I would say it's less transparent than some of the other transparent lace that I've tried. So it looks almost like a mixture of transparent and HD. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I definitely recommend you guys checking them out. I would say this wig is most definitely Caviar Kez approved. It meets all the criterias for me: length, texture, density, stylability, comfortability. It's just chef's kiss. this. Wow, I'm blown away once again. Shout out to Ashimary because they done did their thing once again. Amazing. I love my job. Oh my goodness, you guys. I gotta run. I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you, so it's gonna be down there. Don't forget to check that out before you go. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed some of the styles. Let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know your thoughts. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another review sometime soon. Bye for now.